Your roof is one of the most important components of your home. It protects you from the elements, supports energy efficiency, and adds to your property's overall curb appeal. But for many homeowners in Shelby Township, roofing mistakes, whether during installation, maintenance, or repair, can lead to costly consequences. Whether you're installing a new roof, tackling a small repair, or maintaining an older one, here are some common roofing mistakes Shelby Twp homeowners should avoid, along with expert tips to ensure your roof stands strong for years to come. DIY roofing without proper knowledge. The rise of DIY culture has empowered homeowners to take on all sorts of home improvement projects, but roofing is not one of them. Climbing on your roof without the right tools or training is not only dangerous but can lead to serious damage. What to avoid? Replacing shingles without checking for underlying damage. Using the wrong materials for the slope or climate. Failing to follow safety protocols. Why it matters. Improper DIY repairs can void warranties, cause leaks, and lead to premature roof failure. Always hire a licensed roofing professional in Shelby Twp for anything beyond minor gutter cleaning or visual inspections. Ignoring minor issues until they get worse. It's easy to overlook a small leak or a missing shingle until it turns into a major repair. One of the most common and costly mistakes homeowners make is waiting too long to address minor roofing issues. Common warning signs. Water stains on ceilings or walls, curling, cracked or missing shingles, granules collecting in gutters, a spike in energy bills. Why it matters. What starts as a minor issue can quickly lead to structural damage, mold growth, and costly interior repairs. If you notice anything unusual, schedule a professional inspection right away. Choosing the cheapest roofing contractor. We all want to save money, but cutting corners on roofing installation or repair can cost you far more in the long run. Some low-cost contractors use substandard materials or rush the job without following best practices. Red flags to watch for. No license or insurance. Vague or verbal only estimate. Pressure to pay in cash up front. Lack of local references or reviews. Why it matters. A poorly installed roof may leak, sag, or fail inspection, resulting in additional expenses and frustration. Choose a reputable Shelby Twp roofing company with proper credentials, clear contracts, and a proven track record. Poor ventilation and insulation. Your roof is more than just shingles. Ventilation and insulation are essential components that many homeowners overlook. Without proper airflow, heat and moisture can build up in your attic and lead to damage over time. Consequences of poor ventilation. Ice dam formation in winter. Mold and mildew growth. Shortened lifespan of roofing material. Higher heating and cooling costs. Pro tip. Have a roofing professional assess your attic's ventilation system during installation or inspection. It's a small step that makes a big difference in roof performance and energy efficiency. Failing to schedule regular roof inspections. Even if your roof appears to be in good shape, that doesn't mean it's free from hidden damage. Shelby TWP homeowners should schedule roof inspections at least once a year, especially after heavy storms or harsh winters. What inspections reveal? Minor wear and tear, flashing or sealant failure, loose or missing shingle, structural issues not visible from the ground. Why it matters. Routine inspections can prevent small issues from becoming expensive problems. Many professional roofers in Shelby TWP offer free or affordable inspection services. Final thoughts. Protect your roof, protect your home. Your roof is too important to overlook. By avoiding these common roofing mistakes, Shelby TWP homeowners can ensure their homes remain safe, efficient, and beautiful for years to come. Trusting a local professional, staying proactive with maintenance, and investing in quality materials are the keys to a roof that stands the test of time. When in doubt, consult with a reputable roofing company that knows the unique needs of homes in the Shelby Township area.